Okay, so some tips for Pom Motions. My biggest thing is to get in front of a mirror. So if I'm here, I'm in front of my mirror, I'm gonna look at myself and see, what am I doing wrong? Am I breaking my wrists? Am I coming this back? Am I coming forward? How's my Pom motion looking? That's a huge one because sometimes you might think that you're in a nice high V and then you look at your wrists in a picture and they're actually broken. So practicing just hitting that motion over and over in front of a mirror really lets you, literally in the minute that you're doing it, see yourself right there and be honest with yourself. Your wrist was broken, be like, oh yikes, I need to fix that, and fix it, because that's how we get better. And then also, I like to pretend that I have like a shield in front of me, or a hula hoop, sometimes a big round thing, and that's where like all of your motions, like low V, T, high V, all should be. You don't want them to be here, because then your chest starts to open up, so you want them to be just slightly in front of you, so your core is engaged, everything is held tight, and you're able to be sharper. That's the biggest thing. As far as practicing and making sure that you're getting it sharp, if you're struggling with that, I like to use hand weights when I'm practicing on my own. So if you're preparing for a tryout, competition, a game, just a practice, whatever it may be, you can order them literally on Amazon, get them from Target, Walmart, wherever, and mine are light. I think they're like half a pound maybe, and I just hold them as if they were palms, and I do my dances with them, and then I do them as sharp as I can still, and my arms are on fire the whole time, and then when I actually go to perform it and do it, I'm doing it so much sharper because I use so much more energy practicing with the weights. So it really helps build that strength. And then when you do it without it, it feels so much easier too. So it's a win-win, and I would highly suggest practicing with them. They are great. So mirror, videotape yourself, have your motions be right in front of you, watch your wrists. If your arms break like mine, this, hyperextend, sometimes you might have to watch that. I have to watch my touchdowns a lot because, whoop, so I just had to practice really hard of getting it here. And in reality, for me, that's slightly bent. It's not completely straight, but it looks like straight like everybody else's because I am so hypermobile in my elbows. So watching for things like that, learning your body. My hands also bend backwards a little bit when I straighten them. So in any motion like that, if my palms were to ever be out like this, I would need to work on getting them here. So things like that will really set you apart with your Pom motions, being sharp, being clean, and all of that. Hope that helps. Okay, this is a little Pom Sideline style of dance, and I'm doing it to Sweet Child of Mine, but you can do it to pretty much any good sideline song that you want to put it to. It fits to lots of different things. So you're going to start off, and you're just going to do a step clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come around. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Groups pull on 1, 2, or 3, 4. Out on 5 and 6. Another way on 7 and 8. To the back. 1, 2, out, 3, up, 4, around, 5, clean, 6, down your legs, 7 and 8, snake it up, 1, 2, ball change, and 3, till on, 4, together, 5, 6, cross it, 7, out, 8, to repeat, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. Start anywhere in the music at any time, any song really. 5,